Time to practice our magic E words. First, let's go over some letter names and letter sounds. You know this part. Let's name each of our vowels. We have A, E, I, O, and U. And I bet you know this part too. What is each vowel's sound? We have A, which makes A, E, which makes E, I sounds like I, O sounds like ah, and U sounds like But here's the thing. That's just one sound that each of these vowels can make, but they can actually make a whole bunch of different ones too. The sound that we've learned is the short vowel sound. So that's like when A sounds like A in alligator, when E sounds like in eggs, I sounds like in iguana, O sounds like in octopus, and U sounds like in umbrella. Today we're going to talk about a different sound that these letters can make. This is the long sound of the vowels, where the vowels say their name. So that's like in ape, where the A says its name. And in eagle, the E says its name. And the I in ice cream says its name. And the O in ocean says its name. And so does the U in unicorn. Let's practice saying some words with the short vowel sound. I bet you can do these. I'll give you a minute to say these out loud. These words are cut, dot, hat, rob, pet, cub, tap, hug, hop, mad, thin, rip, and hid. And in each of those words, the vowel makes the short sound. It does not say its name. Let's talk about one of those words. This word is tap. And in tap, the A makes the ah sound, which is the short vowel sound. Let's talk about what happens if we add a magic E to the end of that word. This word is tape. In tape, the A says its name. It sounds like A in tape. The magic E is magic for two reasons. One reason is that the E is silent. It does not make any sound. It doesn't make the short E sound. It doesn't make the long E sound. It doesn't make any sound at all. It's silent. But another thing that makes it magic is that it changes the sound of the vowel in front of it. So the A in tap had been an ah, it had been the short sound. But in tape, it makes the long A sound. It says its name. All because we added that magic E to the end. Here's another word. This word is hid. Say hid. Now, when we add a magic E to the end, this word is hide. Say hide. So once again, that E is silent. It doesn't make any sound, but it changes the sound that the I makes. It went from an I in hid to an I in hide. Let's try another. Say this word out loud. Did you say dot? In dot, the O makes its short sound, ah. Now try to say this word. This word is dote. We don't say the E sound, but we change the O from ah in dot to O in dote. Try to say this word. This word is cut. Now try to say this word. This word is cute. Notice how in cute, the U says its name, cute. Try to say this word. This word is hat. Now try to say this word. This word is hate. Remember, the A says its name, it says its long sound when we have the magic E on the end. So it went from A in hat to A in hate. Try to say this word. Now let's make a prediction. What will this word sound like when we add a magic E to the end? Right now it sounds like rob. What will it sound like with the E? This word is robe. Before, the O was making the ah sound, but now it makes the O sound in robe. Try to say this word. This word is pet. When we add the magic E to the end, it becomes Pete. This one is cool because Pete is a name, and the first letter in a name is capital. So we have a capital P. But when we added the magic E to the end, the second letter, the first E in the word, goes from E in pet to E in Pete. Try to say this word. This word is cub. Try to predict what this word will sound like if you add a magic E to the end. With a magic E, this word is cube. The U says its name in cube. Try to say this word. This word is hug. Let's take a guess. What do you think the word will sound like with a magic E at the end? This word is huge. And in this word, the G sound also changes. In hug, the G makes a hard sound. And in huge, the G makes a soft sound. It kind of sounds like a J. Try to say this word. This word is hop. What do you think it'll sound like with a magic E on the end? With a magic E, this word is now hope. Let's try this one. This word is mad. What does this word sound like? This word is made. Try this one. This word is fin. What's this one? This word is fine. How do you say this word? This word is rip. How do you say it now? This word is ripe. Time for a challenge. Let's read these words that have blends and a magic E. How do we say this word? This word is spin. If we add a magic E, how do we say this word? This word is spine. Let's try another. How do you say this word? This word is glob. How do you say this one? This word is globe. Try to say this word. This word is scrap. How do we say it with a magic E on the end? This word is scrape. How do I say this word? This word is slid. With a magic E, how do we say this word? This word is slide. Let's try this one. This word is plan. What do you think it'll be if we add a magic E to the end? This word is plain. Great job, my friend. Keep practicing.